Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Welcome back to Brahmanis Academy FB Live for English Syllabus UPSR 2020. You are with me, Teacher Umu from Brahmanis Academy. So in today's episode, you are going to learn another grammar topic, which is past continuous tense. So previously, I've already taught you about two tenses, which are simple past tense and present continuous tense. So do you still remember? So in this another type of tense that you will learn today is past continuous tense. So in this lesson, you will learn how to form past continuous tense as well as know the usage of past continuous tense. So past continuous tense is very important, especially in your writing. So what I mean by writing, as we know, in PSR paper 2 we have section C. So in section C, you will apply your writing. So you will use a lot of past continuous tense in paper 2 section C. So how to form past continuous tense? We have positive statement, negative statement, and question statement. So as usual, we have subject, verb to be, and subject consists of pronouns and verb to be. So after verb to be, there is another verb plus ing form. So you have to remember, when we talk about continuous, the verb will have ing at the end of the verb here. For example, I was jumping yesterday. So the word yesterday indicates the time that happened in the past. Oh, he was jumping yesterday. She was jumping yesterday. It was jumping yesterday. So you, we, and they are in the same category, were. So you were jumping yesterday. We were jumping yesterday. Or they were jumping yesterday. So verb to be was. So to refresh, verb to be was is used for singular subject, while were is used for plural subject. So I and you are special. So I will follow the singular subject. So it has singular verb, while you will follow plural subject. So it will take plural verb. So you have to remember. Okay, so just after verb to be, we add another verb plus ing form. Okay, so to form negative statement from the positive statement, we will use subject plus was or were plus not plus verb ing. So for example, using the same example as above, subject I, so I was, just add not after was, I was not, and verb ing, I was not jumping yesterday. Okay, so when we add not, was and not can be shortened as wasn't, or I wasn't jumping yesterday. So were and not can be shortened as weren't. They weren't jumping yesterday. Okay, to form question statement, we put was over at the start of the sentence, followed by the subject plus the verb ing form. So for example, was he, subject, was he jumping yesterday? Okay, to use were they, were they jumping yesterday? So don't forget to put question mark at the end of the sentence. So easy, right? So now let's see the hint words to identify or to recognize and spot sentences that are in past continuous. Okay, so we have many keywords like start with all, they, no, for example. Okay, another example. All last week. Okay, or all last month, all yesterday. Okay, or anything that starts with all. Okay, another example. From to o'clock to 4. Okay, another example. Since 5 p.m. or for a long time yesterday. "15 minutes ago." Or any other words that indicate or show times that happened in the past. Okay, so now let's see this timeline showing past, present and future. So present, here we are now. So when we talk about past continuous tense, it shows that actions are in progress but in the past. Okay, so there are several usage of past continuous tense. Okay, for example, first, to describe parallel actions. So parallel actions are two actions happen simultaneously. Two actions in progress happen at the same time. So it's not necessarily two, it may be three simultaneous actions. Okay. For example, we have the examples here. While I was studying in my room, I heard a loud noise outside. So the past continuous tense is was studying. So we have another tense here, heard. Heard is in past form, past tense form. So simple past. So you have to remember, when you write your sentence, you have to be consistent. So when you write past continuous, another action must be in the past as well. For another example, okay, this example shows two simultaneous action. Another simultaneous action. Aiman was helping her father fixing the broken bicycle, while Anissa was preparing lunch with her mother in the kitchen. So the word while here show parallel actions. So parallel actions mean while. It happens simultaneously. Okay, another usage of past continuous tense to describe what someone was doing at a particular point of time. Okay, for example, Miss Nancy was working in the office all day yesterday. So all day yesterday indicates past continuous tense. Okay, sepanjang hari. Okay, another usage of past continuous tense is to express interrupted actions in the past. Okay, for example, he was driving to work when he crashed his car. So when show interrupted actions. Okay, so last but not least, the usage of past continuous tense to show, to describe repetition and irritation. For example, he was always complaining in class. So always is just an adverb. So doesn't matter, just add the verb ing form. He was always complaining in class. So to recap, the use of past continuous tense in your writing, you must have your subject, and don't forget the verb to be was or were plus verb ing, and just add another adverb of time, yesterday or other Hindu words. So that will help in your writing to show that you understand past continuous tense. Okay, so for more tips on today's topic on past continuous tense, we will share in our FB group, so you can join our group BMA Virtual Class UPSR 2020. So the link to join the group is shared in the caption below. So if you have any question, don't forget to ask by commenting the question that you want to ask below. So we will reply to your response to your question. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.